Yo, what's poppin' guys, Sizzle here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find and more importantly install any custom font you could pretty much ever want. There's really two main sites for this as far as I'm concerned. One is dafont.com, I'll just put a link below. The other one, ffonts.net. There's a lot more sites out there that can get you font files just fine. These are just the big two, like the really big sites where most of them are findable, at least for me. While I do like ffonts a bit more if I'm just trying to like scroll and see if I can find something cool, and it does have a lot more on it. I'm not exactly sure why. I'm going to use Dafont for now to actually just find a quick font to use for my Marvel Rivals Magneto series. You just scroll, you go to cartoon, groovy, comic, whatever. I'm going to stick with cartoon here. And I don't know, Savory Curry here looks pretty good. I like soft as them though. I think this one would go with. I like the like big boldish like bubbly letters. They look pretty good. And yeah, you just have to hit download and then it'll download as a zip file just like that. I'm gonna go save it, and now you can see it's on my computer, and from here just extract that out into its own folder and open up that folder. And from here you see a bunch of different stuff. The only thing you really need to care about is softizen.ttf, anything.ttf. Double click it. It'll pop up with something that looks kind of like this, and all you have to do is hit install, and it'll go install the font. And just like that, if you go and open up anything that it has fonts in it, so for example, I'm just going to open up GIMP, which is what I use to do my thumbnails and all that. We go open that up, we go to the text tool, we can now type Softizen, and there it is. I didn't have it before, I guess I should have shown that, but there we go. We got our nice text right there. Let me turn off the outline so it actually just looks good. And yeah, that's how you install fonts, how you find fonts, how you use fonts. Pretty simple, straightforward stuff. And hopefully you guys found this useful and enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.